Hello Detroit, Anthony Chara here, and I'm going to be teaching you an all-day workshop on Saturday, August 22nd. It's going to be from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. via Zoom. So yes, you can join me from the comfort of your own home or office or wherever it is that you want to watch the class and learn. Just don't be sleeping like my puppy behind me, because you need to pay attention. There's going to be a lot of great information. By the way, if you sign up to attend the Saturday workshop no later than 11:59 p.m. on Thursday night, August 20th, after the monthly meeting, I will give you my quick analysis software for free. It's a $179 value. But again, you have to register early. You have to register before the cutoff at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, August 20th to get the software. I'm also going to give you, no matter when you register, a workbook so you can download it and take notes during the presentation on Saturday. Lastly, I'd like you to bring your live deals to analyze in the workshop on Saturday. So apartment units, 5 units and up, preferably with a price, income, expenses, and vacancy. But if you don't have income, expenses, and vacancy, at least if they have something called the NOI, the net operating income, you can bring that on Saturday, and we'll analyze as many deals as possible on Saturday, along with me teaching you how apartments are analyzed to figure out whether or not you can find a good deal, a bad deal, or a great deal. Plus, you need to get educated now, because in the next 6 to 12 to 24 months, there's going to be some opportunities coming up, because some owners did not prepare for what they are going to encounter because of COVID, and they're going to be losing their properties. So go to MichiganRealEstateInvestors.com. Again, that's MichiganRealEstateInvestors.com to get registered. Make sure you register no later than 11:59 p.m. on August 20th so that you can get the free software, which will be sent to you on Saturday morning. And I will see you on our Zoom meeting, our Zoom training on Saturday, August 22nd. Again, that's all day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I'll see you there.